So right now I'm at the Triumph booth here at the AIM Expo. And to start it all off, I'd like to just check this one out. This is the Tiger 1200 Rally Explorer. So this has the big tank, the big wheels too. And I've never seen this up close before. Actually I did, but just to showcase it in this channel, might as well show it to you. Right here. So this is the direct competitor to the GS. This one has the big tank. This one also has the shaft drive. And this one is no joke. This is a little too big for me. Although I'm a fan of adventure bikes in general. And I think I noticed on some units this is red turn signal, not yellow. So I think there's a lot of YouTube channels that covers this bike already. Unless if I get a bike test or taste test on this bike one day, I'll do a review on it. Next is this. It's the Triumph Rocket 3. The highest torque motorcycle money can buy right now. So this is the Rocket R. It's a muscle bike and it's different class at some degree. So it has the traditional dual headlights right there. There's the exposed header right there. Also shaft drive, which is essential at some degree. And this is I like the color of this one. Matches to the bike. And this is the gauge cluster. It's a full TFT. It has cruise control. It's not a throttle lock cruise control, electronic throttle lock, but it's a real cruise control right there. Bar end mirrors. I've seen a lot of special editions on this Rocket 3, but I think you don't need a special edition in my opinion if you're planning to ride it. And for me, this is the best color of them all, in my opinion. I may be wrong. If I see other colors in person, I may be wrong. Next, this is the Street Triple R. One of the best naked bikes that you can buy right now. So this is the 765 version. This is the base Street Triple. And for some reason it has cobwebs. And look at that. I like the gray. I like the way. See, it's not a TFT gauge. It's a LCD at some degree. No introduction on this bike. This bike is just epic. I want to ride one. Hopefully own one day. And this is the Bonneville Bobber. In fact, I think this is the lowest seat height that Triumph offers, I think. Because I have a friend who is not as tall as me, rode this bike comfortably. And I just like the way the wheel is somewhat separated from the bike, from the seat. And it has cruise control. And it has a DJ analog LCD gauge right there. It's basically a 1200 HT, which is high torque version of the engine, the 1200 version. Well, there's a lot of reviews on this bike too, so I'll move forward. So this is the Street Triple RS. So basically an upmarket compared to the Street Triple R that I just featured with the cobwebs in. And this yellow is like really sticking out. I kind of like it. So this one has a full TFT gauge right there. And it has a similar button layout as the big scrambler. Needs no introduction. Needs no explanation in my end. There's tons of YouTube videos about this bike. epic bike. I've ridden the 675 version, RS, and awesomeness. Next is the renamed Street Twin. Now it's called Speed Twin 900. So also known as one of the easiest bikes to own and to ride. And I like this color combination right there. So you can see my legs right there. Mirror effect. So I don't need to get a mirror to look at myself. And I think this is one of those limited edition colors. I think. I'm not so sure. And this one has the High Torque 900. Just like the T100 Bonneville. But this is the street friendly version. And yeah, nothing more I can say about it. And of course, if you want the sporty one, there's the Truxion RS. Badass bike.
I like the
In
Scrambler.
fact, I like the way it matches to the Scrambler next to it. This is basically the sportiest Bonneville that you can buy. It has almost the same engine as the Scrambler over there. HP, high power. And this chrome makes me scared of riding it because, and plus I'm not, this is my personal preference, I'm not much fan of chrome, but for convenience purposes, if you want to look at yourself all the time, that's also good too. So the forks is semi-chrome too, DG analog LCD gauges, and it has a very familiar silhouette and switches too. And then of course the Scrambler 1200 XE. This one has also the mirror tank, but I like the one with the green highlights right there. Yep, it's I got nothing else to say about the Scrambler. I love Scrambler 1200s, but the XE in particular. In fact, I like this seat. I like the black seats. Too much chrome for me. I'm not much fan of chrome. I rather have either a matte or brushed aluminum look. Yeah, just to finish it all out, the Scrambler 1200. And this is the Triumph booth here at the AIM Expo 2023. Bye bye.